Hey sweets, welcome back to the channel today. Yes, do you see the new specs? Gucci baby. Ow. Ha! But y'all here for this drip. So I have another wig from the Outre series, and this is part of their Melted Hairline series. And I have Miss Kamiyah in this beautiful red kind of blend kind of color. So we're going to open up this box, see what we are working with. Get it out of all of this box and netting. Yes. I hope my sweets are doing very good today. Hopefully you're having a blessed day. Yes, yes, yes. Look at the color though. That is fire. Okay. So yes, we're going to go right into, here is our parting area. We got two combs off to the side. We got adjustable straps, comb in the back, and a band. The band is not adjustable, but the placement of the band is up front where sometimes I do not like it. Here is our stock card. The color on the stock card is really pretty too. I think it's really kind of sexy with that brown type color, but she also comes in some other colors, so take advantage of that. We are going to pop her on and see what we are working with, y'all. Ooh. Okay, look at that red. I had to see if she was shiftable. That's why I had to grab the stop card. I'm like, is this a middle part, left side, right part? She does come as a middle part. And as you can see, the parting area again, the ear to ear is great. So if you like to spray your wigs down, you got enough lace around the ear tabs in order to do that. So I think they did a very good job with that. This is a cute unit. I love the color blend. Here's the back. She comes all the way down to my behind. I don't know how many inches of the length she is, so it doesn't say on the stock card, but like I said, she comes down to my buttocks, but very cute. And right here, you'll see me shifting it, so you can wear her as a little right side part. You'll see me try the middle part again, and then I try the left side part. So it doesn't say she's shiftable, but as you can see, it works. It looks cute. So, hey, that's a plus. So we going to get started on these sides. Y'all know I am not a baby hair girl. So I'm going to use my olive oil spray. And I'm just going to spray all of that back so I don't have to deal with that. And this is a nice little trick that gives you a little bit of volume too. I've said that in my last video on how I use the little spray, or I'll use some of the Got To Be glue gel and kind of spray my sides and stuff down and working on there that way. So I'm just working that in and making sure that I have everything the way that I want it. And she's looking cute, okay? Next, we're going to get some of our olive oil. And this is where, you know, if the hair is kind of frizzy or whatever, it calms that frizz down a little bit. Also, like the detangling, makes it all nice and pretty and shiny, just the way that I like it. So up to you, just an optional if you want to use that. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to get some of my spray. And we're just going to spray down that middle part so that we can put her on. And my tint spray is a medium brown. And I'll leave all the information linked in the description box for you. So if you want the same one, you can go and cop that if you would like to. So I'm just going to let that dry. Now that it has dried, we're going to pop her back on and see what we are working with, honey. Yeah. Oh, okay. Look at that. Look at that. Slay, 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 y'all. Okay. I was getting a little bit of shedding, but of course we all get that after we didn't cut off that lace. Okay. So I am shifting her. I was like, yes, okay. Trying to figure out how I want to lay her, how I want her on my head. And now I'm just going to use just a little bit more of my foundation powder, just going back into that part a little bit. And I'm going to hit them sides a little bit and them edges a little bit too, just so that's hitting up very well. As you can see, it's looking pretty good. Yes, it's like, okay, pop it, pop it, pop it. Y'all know how we do on this channel. We're going to have some fun, okay? But
Hi, sweets.
let's talk.
Welcome back to the channel today. Yes. How my sweets doing? Yes, I am doing great. It is so great to get stress out of your life. I don't know what y'all been doing lately, but I've been de-stressing myself, okay? But I am here with another quick drip for y'all as per usual. So if you want to know more about this little side drip, stay tuned. First, we're going to get all the housekeeping out of the way. Of course, for my sweets that's been rocking with me since the beginning, of course, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much for always watching my videos, commenting. I can't tell you how much I appreciate you guys so much. Now, if you're also new and you just clicked on that thumbnail, you just slid into this channel, go ahead and think about subscribing at the link below. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. If you're here for some wig drip, of course, I do that. I do a little bit of blogging and some other stuff. But if you are here for it, again, go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you are so inclined, give us a like on this video so it can be shared to more people. And let's get right into this drip. So today, you guys, this is another wig from the Outre. Now, I didn't hear people say outre, but I always call them Outre. Help us to stay out. Is it oot or out? Which one is it? How do you pronounce their name? I'm going to keep pronouncing it Outre because that's how I've been pronouncing it. Okay, comment below if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But anywho, today we have Miss Kamiyah, yes, and we have her in this beautiful red color. Okay, this is a cute little drip. Now, if you're a beginner friendly person who's just starting out with wigs, this is a good wig for you. Not much to do. If you are a sister and or a brother who like to lay your wigs down, I think this is a good wig for you. Let's get on into the specs of this wig, y'all. So Miss Kamiyah, I have her in the color DRFF2/cherry red, okay? It's got the beautiful red colors in there, and then it's also got my black, and it's got like some light and some burgundies in there too. So it's a beautiful, beautiful color blend. The texture of this hair is a light yaki, okay? It is beautiful. This is a good if you want to wear it in the summer because it's about to start to get hot. Hey, this is a good summer wig. And of course, y'all always know that I'm always I'm still working from home, okay? So I like to be slayed on my calls, okay? Even though my ass ain't going nowhere, I'm still going to look like I got up and washed my ass for the day, okay? Oh, so this is part of their Melted Hairline series, and I did another one, a review on their daily wig. I really like that wig as well. I'll link it up here, and I'll also link it below so you can go check that out if you haven't seen that video. But this is part of their Melted Hairline series, and honey, the lace was beautiful. I didn't have to do any plucking, and again, everybody is different. So when I say I don't have to do any plucking, you may want to do some plucking, but if it's good for me and it's good to go for me, that's how it is for me. Everybody has their own preference, but I didn't do any plucking with this wig, as you guys seen in the beginning. One of the things I have to say that I like about the wig is the ear tabs. Now, I'll put a clip over here because this is kind of blurry of the ear tabs. So like I said, if you are a brother or a sister who like to lay their wigs down, I like mine's glueless. So I don't like dealing with all that, okay? Mine's are worn glueless, okay? That's how I like to wear my wigs. But they put the lace all the way down here towards the back. So if you did kind of want to like wear it back or wear it up some type of way, you have that flexibility in this wig. But I cut all of that off again because I don't lay my wigs down. I like to take it off at night, let my hair breathe, and then put it back on again in the morning, okay? So I did like that gave you that flexibility. And you guys know I'm always complaining about if they put a band in there and the placement. Now, the placement is up here where I'm always complaining, but I will tell you, I do not have them combs attached to my head. I do not. And you wouldn't even know that if I told you that. And it looks so good and it feels secure. It doesn't feel so tight that it's giving me a headache. It just feels nice and secure on my head. So pluses all the way around, you guys, so far, okay? Loving that. And if it's shiftable. Now, it doesn't say on the stock card anywhere that it's shiftable, but you guys seen that I did right, middle, left. So it is shiftable. Like I even have it like right now, like a little right side part. So it's very versatile. For me, you couldn't tell that it's really supposed to be a middle part. Okay, so I'm loving that as well. And also the color. So let's see what they say on this little stock card. So it says soft HD transparent lace. It says a 5-inch deep parting. It says completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns. It says pre-attached elastic band, yes, with a secure fit. It says natural baby hairs, yes. And then it says redesigned comfort ear contour. So that's what I was just telling you guys about. If you wanted to kind of lay your wig down, you have that flexibility of doing that. She does come in some beautiful, beautiful colors. So you can kind of check those out. I think I will go back and probably buy another color, but I didn't want to be buying two at a time. So I just want to try one out first to see if I liked it, see if I like the texture, see if it's something that I would want to wear. And it's most definitely is. You guys know how I get excited about a wig that it's like, okay, I'm gonna go back and buy it out before y'all go on there and buy it out. But I'll leave all the links to where you can go purchase her and pick her up. I'll leave it in the description box. But this wig, you guys, yes, I can say this is another one of my favorites. And you guys know what we do on this channel is either a slay or nay. Comment below. So this was just another quick drip to bring you guys, to let you guys see this beautiful unit. I am about to go and sit and chill in the backyard. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. I'll be back with another wig review. Again, follow me on my Instagram here if you want to see what I am doing. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.